Hello friends! Today we're going to walk through a long-term trading idea on Disney stock and analyze it from a technical perspective. Right now, we're mainly looking at the monthly and weekly timeframes so we can understand the overall direction of the market. First of all, we need to identify the channel that price has been moving inside. To do that, we take the parallel channel tool and draw this channel right here. As you can see, price has been moving inside this channel consistently. Even years ago and even today, price is still moving inside this same channel right here. Another point is that on the monthly time frame, price has already moved below the 50 EMA, which signals that price may fall at least toward the 200 EMA. Before switching to the weekly time frame, it's useful to map out the global trend. When we draw the trend line, every low that connects along the trend becomes a strong level. We connect the first and second points, and we usually ignore these fake breakouts and these candle wicks right here, because they aren't very meaningful. Now, let's draw the global downtrend. As we can see, this global downtrend was broken with a strong 2-month impulse. Right now, we are very likely watching the retest process. Now, let's move to the weekly time frame. Here, price is trading below both the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. This means price may continue downward. Most likely, it will reach the retest zone, and then we might see a scenario like this. There are two reasons why we expect price to fall a bit more: the MACD and RSI levels. As you can see, both indicators are pointing toward a move lower. On the weekly time frame, we may see a reaction around the RSI 30 level. And another thing that could make us optimistic is that we can see a bull flag pattern forming. This pattern also has a high probability of playing out. Based on that, we might see a move like this. Because as I mentioned, both RSI and MACD are turning downward, so a movement like this is likely. For those who aren't familiar with how the pattern works, price made a large impulse move upward, and now we're seeing the correction phase. As you can see, compared to the preceding move up, the decline is slowing down. That means buyers are taking a breather before a potentially bigger move. If you're wondering how far price could rise after the correction, the expected breakout zone is right here. And bull flags typically rally the same height as the flagpole starting from the breakout point. And most likely, price will rise toward this level above because this zone is one of the key levels and aligns almost perfectly with the flagpole projection. So price may move something like this: pull back and then push upward. And another important detail: seller volume has decreased compared to the previous week. On top of that, the company's latest report also came out positive. And the most important point, if we look at the movement inside this channel right here, upward swings used to last much longer. Then, coming into these areas right here, the upward pushes became shorter. And in the latest one, they've shortened even more. This behavior often signals that sellers are losing control, and this time the channel may break to the upside. That's it for today's technical breakdown. If I missed anything, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll keep bringing you many more technical analyses just like this. See you next time, friends!